Sawyer's tiger? Yeah. Watching his baby Einstein for the second time ever. Boom. You learned elephant this weekend, so now every elephant he sees, he loves. Ellie, there it is. But it's a tiger, honey. Tiger? Tiger! Dumbo is his favorite book. There's an elephant in it. Ellie. Book. Thank you. Let's see. Want to find an elephant in here? Bird. Look at this, Sawyer. What's this? What's that? Another one, right? Too bad I can't find an indoor voice. Oh, there it is. Say, I love you. Ooh, what are you doing? Bird. Tweet, tweet. We'll come back when the elephants come on. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Sawyer. Sawyer, look. Bird.